It was great. Like I just ride Ola right now, and I felt just great. The one feature I liked the most was the reverse mode, which was amazing. Secondly, the space which they have given for the helmet. I think I am going to put a lots of groceries in it, and yes, I enjoyed a lot.
गाड़ी का स्पीड और ब्रेक सस्पेंशन उनका काफ़ी अच्छा था इसका ये समझो कोई कटआउट करना होता है या कहाँ भी करना होता है तो उसके लिए बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल रहेगा एज़ पर रोड कंडीशन अहमदाबाद की। अभी जैसे आगे चल के जैसे भी है ना, अभी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है और पेट्रोल का प्राइस जैसे हाई हो रहा है, आगे चल के मार्केट तो इलेक्ट्रिक का ही होने वाला है उसके लिए, लेकिन कोई प्रीमियम चीज़ मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है। ओला इज़ द फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस हम देना चाहेंगे क्योंकि ये काफ़ी जेन्युइन कंपनी है, तो उसके लिए વેરી ગુડ,
બહુ સારું રહ્યું અને એના કારણે તમને લાગે કે હા એક સારું ટુ વ્હીલર જે પેટ્રોલની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં તમે લઈ શકો, એકદમ સુપર ક્વોલિટીનું હતું અને એની બિલ્ડ ક્વોલિટી બી બહુ સારી છે, આમ બેસ્ટ બનાવી છે ઉપર, કારણ કે એક લેવલ એન્ડ કે ભાઈ હા એની ક્વોલિટીથી લઈને બધું જ સારું છે। એકચ્યુઅલી ઇલેક્ટ્રિક વ્હીકલ લેવું જોઈએ અને બહુ સારું છે અને પ્રિફરેબલ છે બીકોઝ કે તમારી કોસ્ટ કટિંગથી લઈને તમારે જો રેગ્યુલર યુઝ બહુ વધારે હોય તો 1.5 યરમાં તમારું ફ્રી થઈ જાય છે ઇવન સ્કૂટર, કારણ કે કોસ્ટિંગ બહુ ડાઉન આવે છે। અગર તમે ઇલેક્ટ્રિકથી પોલ્યુશન બી સારું રહેશે અને તમારે વ્હીકલમાં યુઝેજ भी સારું રહેશે અને પૈસા भी बचे।
मेरी सोच से काफ़ी ज़्यादा
जिसने चला ली उसे मैं तो कह रहा हूँ आँख मीच के ले लो भाई, यही फ्यूचर है और इससे बढ़िया कोई स्कूटी मैंने ना देखी ना चलाई।
मैंने और भी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल चलाया है लेकिन वो बहुत स्लो है, इतने लॉन्ग भी चलते
भाई
जितना मुझे इसका एक्सपीरियंस लगा ऐसा कोई नहीं।
हाइपर मोड पे उड़ती है और ऐसे उड़ती है बस पूछो ही मत, बुक कर दो भाई, चलाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है किसी को। मुझे सबसे बढ़िया जो कलर लगा है वो जेट ब्लैक लगा है।
आप फीचर देख लो, कौन देता है क्रूज कंट्रोल 15 लाख से नीचे किसी बाइक में भी नहीं मिलता, गाड़ियों में जाओ तो कम से कम 10 लाख, स्पीकर्स है, सब कुछ है, इतना मोड वगैरह है।
ओला लो भाई, मौज लोगे जिंदगी की। पिकअप एक नंबर भाई, एक नंबर भाई, उड़ जाओगे, इतना खतरनाक पिकअप है ना भाई, मैं तो कोई तो बाइक भी ना चलाई इतनी तेज। ले लो, इससे बढ़िया कोई चीज ही नहीं मिलेगी।
I am using petrol scooter for a day-to-day commutation, so I thought I'll move to electric one. So even she also want to try for an electric this one. It's very powerful vehicle. Even I expected like normally electric scooters will be very slow moving type. So here it was like a not that much traffic. It was like a flying experience. Vertical finishing is very good. Adiboli.
So this is the first time I'm driving an electric scooter actually, so it was awesome. Performance in normal mode itself, the speed was very good actually, like I was able to achieve around 70 plus kilometers in normal mode itself. Its power is ultimate. Yeah. Design wise it's perfect. Dash is wonderful. It has map and it has the music system, calling features, so it's perfect. I already booked S1 Pro and I made the payment, just waiting for the white color. I'm gonna tell my friends to book this vehicle for sure. This is one of the best vehicle in the market right now in electric.
To be honest, absolutely good. Bike just took off in hyper mode. That's really nice. That would be wonderful product, I would say. Adbhuta.
Yeah, it's very nice. I like it very much. We bought it only for me actually.
It's amazing. Technically, I didn't want to do test drive also because I had faith in Ola and the technology what they're using. It's amazing. In terms of the ride feel, the suspensions, everything is amazing. The controls are very easy to use. I did check myself sitting in the pillion. It's very, very comfortable. Suspension is also good. What else you can do for Indian conditions? It's very good. The design itself is very good. The entire overall design.
Very good vehicle. I liked it so much that I want now only. Other electric vehicles also I tried, but this weight, everything when compared to others, no, it's very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. I felt like it's very easy to ride through cities, no? That to Bangalore traffic, no? It's very easy. Everything is there. What are Bluetooth settings, everything, keyless, to cruise control. So very nice, very nice. Don't look only, just buy it. It's worth of it, worth of the money also.
टू व्हीलर में ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता, अभी तक पेट्रोल में तो कोई नहीं है इंडियन मार्केट में, तो गुड परफॉर्मेंस टॉप नॉच, डिज़ाइन और डैशबोर्ड बेटर है और क्लियर है और ऐसा जैसे कि ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, सिंपल और अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। मैंने और मेरे फैमिली में अभी और बुक किए
आज फाइनली मैंने टेस्ट ड्राइव लिया एंड माय एक्सपीरियंस वाज वेरी 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 गुड। एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, जितना एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे ज़्यादा है। एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी गुड, बहुत मज़ा आया चला के। परफॉर्मेंस तो इतनी ज़्यादा है कि मैं कह रहा हूँ पेट्रोल स्कूटीज आप भूल जाओगे बिल्कुल, इतनी सही परफॉर्मेंसेज है। एंड पिकअप तो भाई साहब बहुत बहुत तगड़ा, बहुत तगड़ा। डिज़ाइन इज़ गुड, डिज़ाइन इज़ स्लीक, डैश इज़ वेरी गुड, वेरी बिग स्क्रीन जस्ट लाइक अ टैबलेट एंड फीचर्स आर टू गुड।
सोचा नहीं था मैंने ऐसा होगा, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर का सीन ये होता है मैक्सिमम उनकी 40 nm का आउट ऑफ टॉप होता है, बट जो मैंने इसको चलाया है ऑब्वियसली 6 बाइक इतनी एक्सपेंसिव आती है 9 लाख 10 लाख के अराउंड, तो उसके बराबर उसका टॉप था 57 nm टॉप था, वो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा।
पहले थोड़ा डाउट था कि स्कूटर का साइज़ क्या होगा, क्योंकि जनरली जो इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर्स आते हैं वो साइज़ में बड़े छोटे रहते हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ डाउट जो थे हमारे वो क्लियर हो गए हैं यहाँ पर ओला को देखकर। और पिकअप वगैरह काफ़ी अच्छा है, कलर्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, नए हैं, एक फ्रेशनेस लगती है स्कूटर को देख के। हाइपर मोड से ही मैं हाइपर है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही पिकअप है। मैं बाइक ड्राइव करता हूँ और मैं तो मतलब अगर कंपेयर करें तो कहीं उससे कम भी नहीं कह सकते कि बाइक्स के कंपैरिजन में जो है कुछ कम है, या स्कूटी कुछ पहले ही प्री अजम्पशन लेके चलें कि स्कूटी चला रहे हैं तो पिकअप नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। पिकअप बहुत अच्छा है, बाइक से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने बुकिंग नहीं कराई, उन्हें ये बोलूँगा कि तुमने बहुत बड़ी गलती की।
So I was looking forward for the performance aspects of the Ola scooter, and it has not failed me at all. I love the way it handles, I love the way it brakes, and I love the way it corners. So all I can tell all you bikers out there is that you're in for a very good surprise. User interface on the panel is very intuitive, so it's quite user friendly, and so is the placement of all the control buttons on both sides of the handle. So the ergonomics are very well thought out. I love the matte finish. You have to see it in person to be able to appreciate the paint quality. Actually, I feel this is a classic design, and it will look as good 10 years from now. The dash is big and bright. I was quite concerned that I would have issues reading it in broad daylight, but no, my fears were unfounded. I could read it very well. Oh, you better chuck your fuel bikes and cars and go and get an Ola electric.
It was amazing. Yeah, the features are good. The hyper mode is amazing, and yeah, even the acceleration and everything. The colors are also pretty. Yeah, acceleration is very amazing. No one can come near that. The design, the boot space is huge, and the lights are pretty good also. And even the front glove box is also amazing. It fits my phone also. Yeah, and electric scooters are amazing. It's fast.
Like from last 6 months, I was thinking about buying an electric vehicle because fuel prices are surging so high. Also the environment part that you should actually take care, because global warming is actually affecting a lot of people, their livelihood. So we should take this step as soon as possible. So it was very thankful to Ola to take this initiative as soon as possible. So I'm happy to get into this, be a part of this revolution.
It was really, really good. I mean, the performance, the handling, everything is really, really fantastic. The pickup is too scary if you're not used to that kind of, power and torque, and it will just throw you off your seat. Fantastic. Electric is the future, so definitely you should get one.
Well, it was quite good. Basically, I was looking for a bike, but the scooter that I have tested, I think is wonderful, because especially for the for me, the excellent part was the reverse mode, so which is usually you don't find in any bike. So I think the test drive was good.
Dashboard is very weak. I never seen before. And booked the red one.
In simple word, I will say it's an awesome one. I like it a lot. Your colors are very sweet, your design is too good, and your technology is awesome. Means I had seen it in YouTube before, so there did not get the touch and feel together. But this time, when I rode on my own, I'm satisfied and I'm going to book it.
ज़बरदस्त, माने इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर ऐसा हो सकता है, ये सोचने के बाहर का चीज़ है। अभी तक इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी माने हम लोग यही समझते हैं कि नॉर्मल स्पीड होगा, विदाउट हेलमेट होगा और आराम से जाना है, साइकिल से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्पीड, लेकिन ओला पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही बदल रहा है।
I was looking forward to this. I'd driven other electric scooters. I found the modes and the overall experience very good. Sakatagi. The hyper mode, I think you should try it only on the highways, because it's really hyper. It looks very nice actually. Suspension, I tried it on whichever pothole I could get. I went over it just to check the suspension. It was very nice.
It was really nice, like the pickup was really great and seats are also really comfortable. Pickup, the motors are really good and it's really smooth and silent. Seats are broad and comfortable. There's no problem in design. Dashboard is really good. If you want an electric scooter, you should really go for it.
I loved it. It's a fantastic vehicle. This is truly beyond my imagination. Especially the hyper mode is next to none. Color schemes are beautiful. Braking system is very good. Seat, boot space. I think there's no complaints from my side. Love the vehicle. Overall fit and finish is very, very good. And the small things like the phone holder, the small hook. I think all these things are fantastic. Definitely loved it. Dash is good. Definitely very colorful. And especially me coming from a very old traditional bikes, this dash is definitely something from a sci-fi movies. Right? So yeah, truly this is Extreme One. Loved it. You know, the integration is very good. The information carries is just beautiful, and I can only imagine what Ola can do it. You know, in the future with all the updates, OTA updates, I'm sure it'll push a lot more interesting stuffs on the information system. Completely elated with this entire experience today.
I'm staying here in Faridabad, and I came to know that test rides are started, so I came here and tested the vehicle, and the vehicle is so mad. I paid. I have done the complete payment and I came for the test ride. Pickup was amazing. So mad. In hyper mode, it was flying. Literally, it was flying. Go ahead and book it. No need of test ride too. That's the I can say it with very confidence.